Hey guys, welcome back to another of my greatest videos. Today I'm not going to be talking about tech. Today I'm going to be talking about how to regrow your overgrown tea. Maybe it was abandoned. I don't know. So recognize this. This is tea. We have cut these and this is how they are. This is cut. How it looks like after we cut it. And you can see this is our progress. Some are not grown very well because of the damn sun. And I'm gonna show you damn sticks. Okay, those are overgrown tea. Okay, I'm gonna be going over there. Hold on guys. Oh my god. This is annoying with the damn sticks. So this is overgrown tea, like a forest. No tea, only sticks, because this is covered in wild trees. See, no tea, not anything. It should be cut properly when you cut it. This is not tea as you recognize. So you can see this is overgrown tea, and recognize you gotta cut it from here. Don't cut it too low or else. Okay, I got a better way. So this is how tea got from there to there, and from here up to there. It's quite long, almost like 90 square meters. Oh my god, this is gonna be enough. So as you can see, don't cut the tree too low. So you gotta be really careful. It's gonna be like taken 2 months, and careful. Don't cut it too low. Just cut from the place where I told you guys. And that's all the advice I give. And good luck with your tree and peace.